He's way too good.
All right, guys, what's up? This is Steve from Cardbreak Canal. We're doing our teams for the Ultimate Collection and Ice Triple Up. Nice lineup. We got a box of Ultimate Collection from the last 3 years and a box of Ice from the last 3 years. So the last 3 spots got to be updated. All right, never mind. They're updated. Here we go. 12:11 on the clock, and we got Gary to Brandon. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 12:11. 12:11. Last and final. Fourth and final timestamp, 12:11. Just turned 12. New York Rangers, Montreal. And then Carolina to Boston. Time to do the names. 12-12. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. We got 12-12 again and 12-12 last and final. And 12-12 it is. Luke, top spot. Keith, Besser, halfway mark. And then Mike to Colin. All right, folks, here's your teams for tonight. We're going to get started as soon as possible. Luke, Rangers. Tim, Detroit. Besser, Toronto. Colby, Washington. Sean, Chicago. Ian, Vancouver. Brandon, Florida. David's, Colorado. Mike, LA. Nick, Pittsburgh. Mike, Ottawa. Rob, Calgary. Mike, Dallas. Gary, St. Louis. Keith, Montreal. Mike, Carolina. Nicholas, Minnesota. Peter, Tampa Bay. Besser, Edmonton. Mike, San Jose. Kenan, Nashville. Michael is Winnipeg. Besser, Columbus. Terry, Arizona. Verno, Philly. Paula, Anaheim. Stefan is New Jersey. Ryan, Islanders. Brendan, Buffalo. Colin, Boston. There's your teams. We'll see you soon. Good luck.